teacher realized that कि intellectual development in enhancing in their students कि teacher have to be challenge them. अब उससे कैसे challenge देंगे? You give the any tasks or you discuss the any problem, the social problems with your students and to tell them कि go and discover their solution. So many answers are there. If you have a 35 students in your class, so means the 35 ideas are there at a time. It means the challenge. You recognize the intellectual development. Now you recognize that your students are able to develop the intellectual diversity. Now the variety of the answers are there. The first stage of a cognitive means the students have a black and white view, only the dualistic two views are there. The second one is it's starting frequently starting the intellectual diversity, intellectual development, cognitive developments are frequently developed in your students. It's a second level of a cognitive. And when, thus, it is vital that the liberal education be organized to help student progress to a third, means the third cognitive level. In this third cognitive level, when your students become a liberal educated person, or this liberal education be organized, the teacher be organized the liberal educations means give the freedom to your students to go and explore the answer of that problem. This help student to progress your cognitive level into the third stage, or this stage is more mature. It's create a more mental framework which they form their own judgment. Now, one of the central purposes of majoring in a particular discipline or academic field is to come to the understanding that different fields of endeavor provide well-grounded intellectual criteria for making decision about alternative claim. It's mean that your discipline or your academic field means you are admitted in a B.Ed na. So if any argument or the any perspective related to the B.Ed subject, you discuss it or you explain it very well. It's mean that your academic field or your particular disciplines helps you to provide a well-grounded intellectual criteria for making the decision about the alternative claim. For example, अगर आपसे कोई ये कहे कि there is no need for a teacher physical appearance, just teacher are highly educated. Now it's enough. So being a B.Ed student, you justify this perspective for the others by the evidence. Can no, the physical appearance of the teachers also a matter, also account during a class session. क्योंकि students first impressed by the teacher by their physical appearance. Using these criteria, students can learn to discriminate by urging the evidence with the understanding that arguments exist for the purpose of clarifying ideas, evaluating claims, considering consequences, and making choice. So, by the help of this criteria, the student discriminate by the urging the evidence, means evidence of the both sided. Students are discriminate which evidence is reliable or which evidence is truth, consist of a fairness. So, with the understanding that arguments exist for the purpose of clarifying, when the students are able to discriminate between the evidence, it means that the students have the ability for clarify their ideas, evaluating their claims, considering the consequences, and now making their own choice. There must be a curricular space, capable guide, and the models and the supportive institutional culture to encourage students as they learn to develop their own critical judgment. Now, your curriculum, your academic session give the space, the models, or the capable guidance, or the institutional culture also encourage the students to learn their own critical judgment. These all environment, the students, the teachers, the school, the colleges, they give the environment of their students to make their own critical judgment. Freedom to learn is indispensable for both students and the professor as they examine and assess disparate point of view within and across disciplinary boundaries. Now, again, this point clear that okay, you have to be provided the freedom to learn because the freedom of learn is indispensable, very necessary for both the students or the teachers or the professor because they examine their own self, they assess the disparate, the different point of view within or across the disciplinary boundary. विदिन तो हम आराम से अपने डिफरेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को असिस कर लेंगे लेकिन अक्रॉस द बाउंड्री जहां पर हमारे रिस्ट्रिक्शन स्टार्ट हो जाती है अगर हमें वहां की जरूरत हो तो सो द प्रोफेसर और टीचर both have a learning freedom. Students sometimes envision education as being removed from the real world, but direct involvement with the communities beyond the academic can illustrate the actual power and significance of their learning. In such community settings, students may encounter new forms of intellectual diversity, forms that emerge from working with the peoples whose histories, experiences, perspectives, and the value may be. स्टूडेंट्स को ऐसा महसूस होता है कि द एकेडमिक रियल वर्ल्ड नहीं है ये बस एक किताबी बातें हैं बहुत अच्छा बहुत प्यारा अदाब अदब मॉरल एथिकल वैल्यूज ये तो सिर्फ किताबों की बात होती है रियल में तो ऐसा नहीं होता लेकिन व्हेन यू इन्वॉल्व विद योर कम्युनिटी आउट ऑफ योर एकेडमी it illustrates the actual power of significance of their learning because the learning are implement in your society. In such community setting, students may encounter new reforms by the intellectual diversity because when they emerge, the working people on your community by their histories, by their personal experiences, by their perspectives, and maybe the values. Do you have any question?
No, ma'am. It's all clear.
Okay. Now it's a closure time, beta. अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा अपने घर वालों का बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा मुझे दुआओं में याद रखिएगा इंशाल्लाह आपसे कल मुलाकात होगी